York Center, lands 347 Charlie Bravo, level 6,000.
Lands 347 Charlie Bravo, New York Center. Roger, Universal Park altimeter 2980. Current is Alpha. You can expect access for the ILS.
At 2980 on the altimeter, and we'll expect the ILS, 7 Charlie Bravo.
November 1850 X-ray, contact New York Center 124.62.
2462, 1850 X.
Charlie Bravo, fly heading of 340.
At 340, 7 Charlie Bravo. Here.
University Park Tower information Alpha, time 1412, special observation, wind 200 at 4, visibility 2 miles, rain, sky conditions, ceiling 1000, overcast, temperature 15, dew point 13, altimeter
4777, contact New York Center 132.2.
Departing runway
47 Charlie Bravo. 5 miles from Penny, cleared ILS.
Freeze up.
Approach University Park. Radio service terminates. You can contact tower now on 138.47.
Another tower now, 7 Charlie Bravo.
New York Center, medevac helicopter, November 855, Mike, that goes with you past 2,100 for 6,000.
Medevac helicopter 855, Mike Echo, New York Center, Roger. University Park altimeter.
On our descent here. University Park Tower lands 347 Charlie Bravo is 2.5 out of Oryx, inbound for the ILS.
Land 347 Charlie Bravo, University Tower. Altimeter is 2988. Did center pass you the pirate from the last two guys that came in?
I'll repeat the last for 7 Charlie Bravo.
Just wondering if center gave you the pirate for the last two guys that came in. I'll give it to you. Regional jet came in about 30 minutes ago. Citation jet came in about 20 minutes ago. Both reported gains of about 10 knots on final and bases about 500 feet. It looks like it might have cleared up a little bit to the northeast though, but they both had the field in the sight at about 2 miles.
That's 7 Charlie Bravo, copy. That's 7 Charlie Bravo, is over Pena.
Lane 7 Charlie Bravo, roger, non-site, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear to land, 7 Charlie Bravo. $3,000 for 14.
Aircraft information, Bravo, current University Park Airport, altimeter 2980, scattered at 500 feet, scattered at 1400 feet, light rain, ceiling 1800 overcast.
Out that. There's the runway. See it. 1.5 miles. Huh? Or 18 for 14. 1, 2, 3, green. One, two, green. Had really good landings. Had a lot of practice.